Hi allesammans, hello everyone, welcome to Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Today we will discuss Norwegian idioms related to the body. Like many other languages, the Norwegian language is replete with idioms that draw from the human body to convey meanings beyond the literal sense of the words. These idioms offer unique insights into the culture and historical context of the Norwegian people. Here's a look at some of the most colorful Norwegian idioms that have roots in human anatomy. Å ha bein i nesen. Å ha bein i nesen. Å ha bein i nesen. Literal translation here is to have bones in the nose. The meaning to be determined and strong. This idiom implies a strong will and the ability to stand up for oneself or one's beliefs. Å ha sommerfugler i magen. Å ha sommerfugler i magen. Å ha sommerfugler i magen. To have butterflies in the stomach, or the meaning here is to be nervous or anxious, especially in anticipation of something. This idiom is quite universal, with versions of it existing in many languages. Å gå baklengs inn i fuglekassa. Å gå baklengs inn i fuglekassa. Å gå baklengs inn i fuglekassa. Literal meaning is to walk backward into the bird box. The meaning here is to be taken by surprise or to be completely shocked by something. The imagery of someone walking backward into a confined space underscores the unexpected nature of an event or revelation. Å ha hjerte i halsen. Å ha hjerte i halsen. Å ha hjerte i halsen. Literal meaning is to have the heart in the throat. The overall meaning here is to be very scared or anxious. This idiom beautifully captures the physiological response of a pounding heart when one is frightened. Å ha is i magen. Å ha is i magen. Å ha is i magen. Literal meaning to have ice in the stomach. The meaning here is to stay calm under pressure. Much like the English, keep your cool, this idiom suggests a demeanor that remains undisturbed despite challenging circumstances. Å stikke hodet i sanden. Å stikke hodet i sanden. Å stikke hodet i sanden. Literal translation here is to stick one's head in the sand. The meaning here is to avoid facing a problem or reality. It paints the picture of an ostrich burying his head, thinking it's hidden from danger. Å være våt bak øra. Å være våt bak øra. Å være våt bak øra. Literal translation to be wet behind the ears. The meaning is to be inexperienced or naive. This idiom is believed to refer to the last place where a calf dries after being born, suggesting a level of freshness or newness. Å gå på tå hev. Å gå på tå hev. Å gå på tå hev. To walk on tiptoes in translation. The meaning here is to be alert or cautious. This idiom paints a picture of someone trying to move silently and attentively. Å ha en finger med i spillet. Å ha en finger med i spillet. Å ha en finger med i spillet. Literal translation: to have a finger involved in the game. Meaning here is to have influence or a part in something, often in secretive or subtle way. Å bite i det sure eplet. Å bite i det sure eplet. Å bite i det sure eplet. Literal translation is to bite into the sour apple. The meaning here is to face a difficult situation or to do something unpleasant. Norwegian idioms related to the body offer a fascinating glimpse into how Norwegians view the world and express their emotions and experiences. These idioms, often with counterparts in other languages, highlights the shared human experience while celebrating Norway's unique cultural flavor. Whether you're learning the language or just enjoying the richness of idiomic uh, expressions, diving into these phrases offers a delightful journey into the heart of Norwegian culture. Unlock a world of opportunity and connect with a rich culture heritage by learning Norwegian from zero to hero with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Our immersive courses and expert instructors guide you every step of the way, ensuring you become fluent and confident in the language. Elevate your Norwegian language skills from the comfort of your home by subscribing to the Norwegian Language School on YouTube. Enjoy expertly crafted lessons, interactive exercises, and a vibrant community, all designed to take you from beginner to fluent, one video at a time. Unlock the full learning experience with Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School by becoming a Patreon member today at patreon.com/NLS Norwegian Language School, patreon.com/NLS Norwegian Language School. You will get downloadable worksheets to practice what you've learned from our YouTube videos, podcast, and gain exclusive perks like member-only chat transcripts, early access to new content, one-on-one private Norwegian classes, Discord access, etc., for an immersive and interactive Norwegian language learning journey. Thank you for tuning in to Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website, nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no.